Alright, what's up guys? It's me, Simon, and I'm going to show you this. It's a 1972, I believe. It's an enduro bike. It's 2-stroke. It's a 250 from Suzuki. And my dad's buddy gave it to us. I'm going to have to clean out the gas tank. It's all rusty in there from the old gas. And it's in really nice condition, actually. The tires are almost brand new. You can kind of still see. Hold on. Look. Alright, there you go. You still see the lines on it and everything. Not wore off. It's oil, like, you don't put the oil, 2-stroke oil in the gas tank. I forgot what it's called, but like, if I get the seat off, you think it's real complicated. I don't know how to take the seat off, really. Oh, here we go. Oil injector or something. Where you put it, this is where you put it at. It has a little bit in there. Yeah. So I'll probably clean that out too. And then try to jump start it or something. And yeah. So that's the review on this.